Why you should use an HVAC company with NATE certified technicians. Many homeowners get stressed out when they discover their HVAC system isn't operating correctly. No matter what issue you're facing, hiring a reliable HVAC company with NATE certified technicians is always the best solution. Here's why. Expertise. NATE certified technicians undergo rigorous training and testing to ensure they have the knowledge and skills to solve complex HVAC issues correctly the first time. Quality assurance. NATE certified technicians follow strict industry standards and best practices, ensuring that every job is completed to the highest quality. Efficiency. NATE certified technicians are trained to optimize HVAC systems for maximum efficiency, helping you save on energy costs. Don't settle for subpar HVAC service. Call Mabry Brothers in Fort Myers, Florida at 239-356-8295 for all your heating and cooling needs. Our team of NATE certified technicians is dedicated to providing top-notch service that keeps your home comfortable year-round.